taco review time. This one is going to be El Tacote, whatever. This is shit weather, and I don't even know why I'm wearing these glasses right now for no reason, because it's gloomy. I have no idea. But they do taco catering. It's called the Chili what's it called? A Cali Mex is what they have. El Tacote. This is going to be at 9167 Reseda Boulevard in Northridge, California. So this is actually in like a little parking structure area over here. Dunn Edwards is right over here. Dave's Hot, whatever it is. I don't understand the whole hot chicken thing, but it is what it is. But one taco, let's see if this is a taco cartel worthy taco. Now, here we go. They give you two hot sauces. You got your green one, you got your red one. I don't even know which one either one of them is. Why put exhaust on your car? I don't understand. It sounds stupid. You sound like an idiot. You go and have an exhaust on your car, especially on a 3 Series BMW. That's not even M. Stupid. It doesn't make any sense. But see, I already know this is gonna be on my alley because they did it correctly, right? They got the cucumber there. They got very simple. They don't do too much because you don't need to do too much. A little bit here and there. That's all that counts, because this is one of the most difficult things you could possibly do to get perfect. So it's got the cilantro, it's got the onions, it's got, you know, the 2 tortillas. Now this is what I actually wanted to go ahead and show. And another one. So if you see right here, okay, you get 2 tortillas. You get this 1 tortilla, and then you get the 2 tortillas right over here. Now, the second tortilla is for everything that goes ahead and falls out. So you don't eat the 2 tortillas like an animal, like a savage. You go ahead and eat it the way that it's intended to. You take the top tortilla, you put your fillings, everything that falls out, you use it for the other one. Now, I'm gonna go out to separate this. I'll have to do this out of camera view right now. So we're gonna go ahead and first bite is always the best thing. You do nothing with it, you don't put anything on it, but they give you the little cucumbers on it, the little radish, you got the little lime action going on here. So first off, no, it's good, okay? It doesn't have like sometimes the atypical like gaminess that a lot of these other tacos have. But this is a solid taco. Now, I'm a little disappointed in the rebound here. We don't have enough rebound. We don't have enough in here to go ahead and pop it on the other tortilla, which that's gonna affect the score a little bit, but let's go ahead and pop a little lime on it. Let's see if it makes a little bit of a difference going on. So they give you the lime, the cucumber, pop the lime on there. Now we're gonna start off with the red sauce. Now, I don't even know what kind of red sauce this is, but usually it's either gonna make me hate life tomorrow, or it's just gonna be like one of the most amazing things in the world. So you pop this guy, bam. Next one. Right out the gate, that's gonna make me hate life tomorrow. Really, 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 really solid taco though. Definitely not going to be in the taco cartel range. I gotta try it. I gotta try another one to see what's going on here. We're gonna double taco this one. I don't know. Ooh, that hot sauce that they have. The hot sauce is like dried chilies. It's like a bunch of dried chilies because you feel it right in the back of your throat, and it gives that little tingly sensation. But let me go ahead and give this green one a whirl. Cause I can't. I don't know. I'm torn. I'm honestly torn on the score on this one. Definitely a way bigger fan of the red one than I am with the green one. The red one is way spicier. Got a better kick to it. More flavorful. I have no idea. This one is going to be, now the cucumber and the radish really, I mean, you have no choice. Like, what are you gonna be, a scumbag and not have the radish and the cucumbers that come along with it? That's like the staple side dish of tacos. If you don't have it, then you're just an asshole. This is a solid 7-4 taco. 7-4 taco. El Tacote, Northridge, California. If you're in the area, you want a solid taco, you come here, you go try it. It's a good taco. Doesn't get into the taco cartel range because I'll show you in a little bit what a taco cartel taco is, but solid taco, totally would do it uno mas on this one. And then for up to 50% commission rebate on your next real estate purchase or any mortgaging assistant, link in the description below. Fuckers.